Good morning, children. Welcome to our class, Amma. Let's start new term 2 in a new chapter, multiplication. Multiplication, so you know multiplication, Amma? All of you learn tables. Okay. Here, look at this cycles, Amma. Here, getting some cycles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cycles is there. Now, each cycle having how many wheels? Means how many wheels, Amma? Each cycle? 1, 2. Each cycle having 2 wheels. So, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many times you are adding? 4 times. So, 2 into 4. How many times you are adding? 4 times. So 2 plus 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. Like this. It's a addition repeating. Multiplication means addition repeating. Say addition repeating. That is kept in your mind. Okay. Now here two keys are there. Two keychains are there. In every keychain having 3 keys. So 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So here you are adding how many times, Amma? 2 times. So 3 into 2. How many times you are adding? 3, 2 times. So 3 into 2, you get 6. It's the same answer. But addition means it's a multiplication means it's a repeating. So now look at some examples in activity 1. Look at the groups in each of the picture below and fill in the blanks. Now, now. Here getting some groups, Amma. In each group having 2 balls. Yes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So how many times repeated here? 1, 2. Here repeating 2. You counted how many times repeating 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 times repeat 2. Now 6 times 2. So this is a 6 right in this box. Okay. This 6 right in this box and times means into. This is a, what is this symbol, Amma? Now first tell me, this is a what, Amma? Place. It is a called as place. It is using for addition. This is place. This is using for addition, Amma. Now next, what is this symbol? This is a, how to call this? This is a minus. This is used for subtraction. Now next, what is this? How to call this? This is a into, or this is into. This is called as into. This is used for multiplication. This is used for multiplications. Plus, minus, into. Plus, minus, into. This is used for addition, subtraction and multiplication. So, into means it's a times. Into means it's a time. So this is a right in this same as it is 6 in this box. Now next, times means into. Here already get this. Times means into. Now next here, what is there? 2. This 2 right in this second box. So 6 2 ja 12. Now count it. Total are 12 or not? You check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You got it 12. Now like this. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. You get like that also. It's a repeating addition. So 6 times 2. This 6 are right in this box. Times means into. 2 is right in this box. 6 2 is 12. Now next one more example. In each group having 5 balls. In each group having how many balls? 5 balls. Here repeating how many times? 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Here also 5. In the third group also having 5 balls. So 5, 5, 5. How many times repeat? 1, 2, 3. 3 times repeat. So 3 times what is the repeating? 5. 3 times repeating the 5. So 3 times 5. What is that? 3 times 5. Now same as it is. This 3 right in this box. Okay. Now times means into. Times means it is a into. Times means it is called as into. Now 5. Now tell me 3 5s are 15. So total balls are how many, Amma? 15 balls are there. First count it, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay? Got it 15. Now like this. Now 5 plus 5, 10. Now 10 plus 5 or 15. That is also same. You getting both answers are equal. Now addition, multiplication means it's a repeating addition. Now please copy it, Amma. Now next, what is today homework? This activity you are doing test book, Amma, homework. You are doing test book. Okay. Now page number is the 46. Oh, look at this. These are write in your doing your test book and post it. This is your homework. Only how many times repeating? You write it in this box. Okay. Now please copy it. Activity 2, I will explain you next class. All of you, wish you happy new year, Amma. Okay, now thank you.